Now, the elephant population in Africa continues to decline despite an international ban on the ivory trade. Counting the remaining animals is a difficult task. They roam over vast areas across 20 countries. Still, the bold ambition of the Great Elephant Census, as it's known, a continent-wide initiative started by the co-founder of Microsoft, Paul Allen, is to keep track of African elephants, but to do it from the sky. The BBC's Sami Awami reports now from Tanzania.
Plane fueled, screws tightened, these scientists are getting ready for the field. And every tool has to be perfectly fitted. It's about counting the animals from the air. And these streamers help observers on the plane calculate the actual distance covered on the ground.
When the observers will do spotting, when they take a photograph, we know the photograph is actually of an animal.
Covering over 600,000 kilometers and spend over 1,000 hours in the air, there is an army of close to 100 scientists across the continent. With the streamers, GPS and camera, every elephant will be counted. This is Tarangire, a park at the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro. The park is believed to have more elephants per square kilometer than anywhere else in the world.
Tanzania has lost about 53% of its elephants just within 6 years. And so this census, it is hard that it will provide important information to help the government plan better for its conservation.
The Great Elephant Census is a project backed by multiple international organizations and the Tanzania Wildlife Research Initiative, all fighting for the lives of the elephants.
We download the data from the GPS. Here's a flight, is an example of our flight. They took off around 7.
Back on the ground, photos from the plane and GPS data are being analyzed to get accurate information.
The density of elephants that we see is from a very similar period of time and from exactly the same methods. Okay. And that was a big advantage for our picture of what happened. Yeah. We were able to give not only the Vulcan, the donors who are actually providing the money for the Great Elephant Census, a picture of what was going on, but the government was able to get a snapshot for the first time in 5 years.
As valuable as the project is, it's also a very expensive one, begging the question of sustainability.
We have depended on external support to conduct this census, and I'm afraid, I think in the next few years, we will have to do the same. From within, we can contribute, but I don't think we have enough resources to cover it all.
This project is evidence that when local and international efforts are combined and with the right amount of money, more elephants can be saved. Sami Awami, BBC News, Northern Tanzania.